This is the number 7, and this is the number 8. Now I'm here to ask the question, which number is more lucky? You may have already seen the title of the video, but you may be thinking, I know, the answer is 7. 7 is associated with many things like 7-Eleven and 7-Up drink, and that's what makes 7 so darn good. You may think that, and the people in the West may think that, but I'm here to tell you that to people living in the East, the number 8 is actually considered more lucky. And today, I will show you once and for all why the number 8 is more lucky than the number 7. Let's start with the Wikipedia section of the number 8. As you can clearly see, the number 8 has its own section on Wikipedia dedicated to how lucky the number is. That makes it better than 7. The number 8 is considered to be a lucky number in Chinese because the Chinese word ba for 8 sounds like the Chinese word fa for wealth because B and F are somehow the same. This means that in China, 8 is a very lucky number. It's also considered lucky in Japan, but for a completely different reason. The number 8 looks like a triangle, and that means it's pretty lucky. Now, if you're keeping track of the points so far, that's 1 point to the number 8 for having a section on its own Wikipedia page dedicated to how lucky it is. I would give it 1 point for being lucky in Chinese, but I have a personal vendetta against the Chinese language, so I'm just gonna give it half a point. It still gets 1 point for being lucky in Japanese though. But I'm also gonna give 7 a point here, because 7-Eleven is just so gosh darn convenient. Now, I would be a fool if I didn't talk about any real life examples. This is Roy Cleveland Sullivan, a man who has been struck more times by lightning than anyone else on Earth. That's extremely unlucky, but what's even more unlucky is the fact that he just so happened to be struck by lightning 7 times. That's a lot of times. Being struck by lightning that many times means I have to take 1 point off 7's counter, because that's just too unlucky. Now, if we're going to talk over 7 and 8, we also have to look to references to the numbers 7 and 8 in modern media. Introducing the number 7 from the British TV children's show Number Blocks, and number 7 from the British TV children's show Numberjacks. In Number Blocks, the number 7 is shown to actually be incredibly lucky.
How lucky am I to see you? I'm the luckiest. Lucky.
Using his luck for things like breaking into a bank.
We need a lucky guest to crack that code. Aha! Lucky 7. Oh! Oh! That was lucky.
However, in Numberjacks, the number 7 is actually pretty incompetent.
Right, I'm ready to help. Oh no, I'm not.
She can't do anything right, but you know who can do something right? The number 8. He can roll.
Rolling.
Brilliant!
In Numberjacks, the number 8 is shown to be incredibly skilled, incredibly smart, and incredibly handsome. Because of 7 in Number Blocks being so lucky, I'll add 1 point to its counter. And because number 8 in Numberjacks is so devilishly charming and good looking, I'll add 2 points to his counter. We also need to look at characters named after numbers. These are the 2 examples I could find: 7 from Scissor 7 and Agent 8 from Splatoon. Now, I don't know much about Scissor 7 on account of how I just found out about it, but according to the wiki, 7 is a barber. He cuts hair. Okay, I would not trust this guy to cut my hair. He seems like he would kill me. Agent 8 from Splatoon, on the other hand, has the remarkable ability to transform into an octopus, and that's pretty cool. Now, I don't know about you guys, but between the barber with bad hair and the cute octopus, I know which one I'm picking. But I have one last example of a character associated with the number 8. A character that's pretty lucky. A character that dresses in blue. And a character that's associated with Megalovania. This is Vriska Circuit from Andrew Hesse's Homestuck. Throughout the plot of Homestuck, Vriska gains the ability to become a thief of light. This basically means that she can steal luck from others and drain it into herself. This makes her incredibly lucky. She has all the luck. This incredible luck means that the number 8 gets one more point. Now let's look at the final results. There you have it. As compared to the 1 point that 7 has, 8's 6.5 points are way better. And this finalizes my idea that 8 is more lucky than 7. That's the whole video. Bye guys.